Okay, I'm here again, and I forgot to mention this, but you will need glue. This is incredibly old glue, but it's incredibly sticky. So it sticks on well. So I've used it for this one, and it's not ripping at all. So I've drawn it, and I've done that, so it's drawn on. And now you just need to cut it out. Do not cut on the line that's being here. Don't cut here. And by the way, you need to be very careful when you're using scissors because they are sharp. I'm just gonna cut it carefully. Okay, so I've cut it, and there we go. And I'm just going to fold it onto the line. I think I'm going to kill myself. Okay, well, this is failing. Oh no, okay. Okay, I did it. You're just gonna have to have that. It's really irritating. Okay, there you go. Is that better? Yeah, okay. So now what you've got to do is you've got to draw what it is. So I need to draw this and then name it and do whatever. So my drawings are horribly bad. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. So 2 secs. Okay, there we go. So that's that. It's incredibly bad here. I'm getting cringed at. I'm gonna get my rubber from my cheesy notebooks. So there we go. But no, I just showed you the rubber. Do Americans call it eraser? I think they do, yeah. That's better. Okay. There you go. I'm wearing cheesy pajamas. I am just cheesy altogether and cringy. Okay, so done that. That's the outline of this. Now I'm just going to draw the eyes and the mouth and the cheeks and stuff. And the random heart on the forehead. Oh my god, it's standing up. Okay, so I've done that. It looks nothing like it, I know. But it's good enough. It's going to squish it because it's so squishy. And now I just need to colour it in. Oh my god, it's so bad. I need to colour it in. Let me find my colouring pencil. Where's the pink gone? Okay, here it is. So here's the pink. I have much better colouring pencils, but I just can't be bothered to get them really. But this is fine. I'm also just going to add this, so I get to colour in the outline. So it's like, that's actually really cool. I actually like it like that. Okay, there we go. I don't know why I just held my pencil like that. Where's the, okay, there it is. I lost the pink. Okay, so now that's coloured. I'm a bit silly because I didn't leave space to do the colour. So I'm just gonna do, I don't know, is it strawberry gum or bubble gum? Bubble gum. I'm not sure. How about you guys put it in the comment section what you think. Then I count up how many bubble gum there is and how many strawberry there is, and then I'll write it down afterwards. But for now, and then I'll release the win or whatever after. For now, I'm just gonna do the little logo made with love here. And this is kind of cool. I'm not sure if you can see, but with the E, I've done like a little heart. You can't really see, can you? My iPad won't focus. Okay, well, there we go. That's better. Made with love. Okay. There we go. Now I'm just gonna do a little heart outline somehow. There we go. And now I'm just gonna do that. This looks ugly. Oh my god. So now I need the colours, which is blue and what was it? Blue and purple. Can't exactly find where the purple is. Okay, there we go. Found it. And I found the blue. There we go. Think. Purple's in the outline and the inside it's like blue. It's not exactly a logo, it's just like a little, thing. There we go. See, that's that. I'm just gonna colour in the eyeballs black. Okay. I'm not gonna properly colour it in, I'm just gonna do like stripes. Oh, that looks scary. It looks so scary. Okay, there we go, that looks better. No, it doesn't, it still looks freaky. Okay, there we go, that just looks a horrible mess, but I'm just gonna redo the whole eye itself, because it looks a horrible, horrible mess. What is going on with that eye? I can't colour in properly today. Okay, so there we go. Still looks scary, but it's good enough. So that's the packaging. Now I'm going to do the back. I believe, yeah, the back. So I'm just going to copy off this one. Looks very pretty. Oops, that looks horrid. And my handwriting is horrid as well. So everything is just horrid. Okay. So I'm just going to do random squiggles. And then in like the middle of a squiggle, I'm just going to do not eat. Okay, I'm going to have to eat here. I'm just going to do the exclamation mark. And then I'm going to do some more writing, and then I'm just going to do a full stop. And then I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to do a little barcode here. It's obviously not a real barcode, it's just some random lines and random numbers I just picked out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Oh my god, focus. Okay. And then I'm just going to do, it's not actually my signature's in Arabic. This is just a really nice way of writing my name. There you go. I'm actually way too young to have a signature anyway. So that is it. That is the packaging. Now I'm gonna seal it, and then so what you do now is just seal it. So this is disgusting, but it's better than nothing because it's the most stickiest glue we have in the house. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend to take it home, to school, because it will just stick to your books, and then your books will get sticky, and then you can't write, and then you have to get, and then it'll just be hassle. So I'm just gluing it. There we go. Okay, so there we go. And now I'm just gonna fold it like this. So it's now done. I think this is working. No, this isn't working. Okay, I'm just gonna sort it out. You're gonna have to have like a spoon. Hey, this is so ugly. What the heck? It's not working. It's work. Okay, I did it. So there we go. This is not clear at all. So now what you do is you just open it up. It's not working. So you just open it up, and then you just put your squishy inside. So okay, I cannot find. Okay, there we go. That's good enough. I've not made the hole big enough, but there we go. So that is how you do it. It's not exactly working with this one, but there we go. It looks roughly like that, and yeah. Now, it's the best way is the second way, which I can't do because it requires staplers and I don't have staplers, is to use staplers. So you just staple the ends. It's quite easy. You just staple the ends. Do everything I did before, just with staple instead of glue. I found that much easier, and it works. This one just doesn't work really, but you can use whatever way. So I hope you enjoyed my video and you found it useful. Remember to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, bye bye.